Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So definitely some updates here need to be made. A lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's first start by mapping out some levels of support, then we can talk areas of resistance. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the dollar mark can hold. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below a dollar, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if somehow the price can manage to stay up above that dollar mark, that would definitely be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Next level of support after that would be this breakout point, and that is down there at the 85-cent mark. So a dollar and then 85 can be the two, nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things. So this, of course, assumes that you care about more so a bigger picture, timeline of things. But that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very straightforward point of view of, hey, Clay, how do I gauge the strength of the current price movement? Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the price is at full strength, full control, full health, however you can best visualize that, no doubt about it. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upward move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, pretty straightforward. Sellers really didn't hide too much there, made themselves known right up there around the $1.20 area, give or take a few pennies. So that'll be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, no doubt about it, a very nice move today. And now it's just a matter of building upon this momentum and building higher bases. So at least in my opinion, top priority, not necessarily breaking levels of resistance tomorrow. Top priority is just healthy consolidation, building higher bases, because as long as the price is building higher bases over time, the overall chart will take care of itself. But no doubt about it, nice move today. Let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.